This is a presentation of the modifications I've made on my Discovery Trainer. Things they said could never be done. Yeah, right. Nav lights, moving pilot, dashboard, strobe on the tail, bomb drop, cabin light, the works. And there you have it.